I'm Arturo Ortega and I'm running Buen Provecho, Mexican street food, and I've been doing it for 3 years now. It's very nice to see people enjoying the food and learning something. People say that the pork pibil is our specialty. Entomatado, beef with crushed tomatillos and smoked chilies, and the chicken in a green salsa with beef.
So something I learned when cycling in Mexico was that the secret to a good taco and eating a good taco is how you load up your salsas and your sauces. If you overload a taco, most of it's going to swim down your chin. So this one here, I've just loaded up. It's a chicken tinga taco, and it's got a little guacamole, simply avocado, lemon juice and salt, nothing else. And pico de gallo, which is a combination of cilantro, coriander, onions and tomato, and then on top a little smoked blackened salsa, which looks delicious. So yeah, just don't overload your taco. Then it goes into my mouth.
Por dentro me reía y pensaba entusiasmado. Llega bruta si me vieras cuando bailo arrinconado. Pero para complacer.
¿More tacos?
Sí.
Seguir bailando decente y para completar el cuento y hacer todo bien hechito. Bailando, siempre bailando, cantaba yo este versito.